The Nexis Uni homepage serves as the starting point to begin your research and provides quick access to the main search functions and content categories. Be sure to take a moment to create a profile by clicking on the register link in the upper right of the screen. This will create a unique ID and password for you and open more features. Once you've completed your profile, some of the features and customization options will appear on the top right, allowing quick access to folders, search history, alerts, setting a desired language, and customizing search defaults within the settings. Access other LexisNexis product subscriptions by using the product switcher on the far left of the Nexis Uni logo. Search specific content such as news, companies, legal, and more from the tabs on the top. Opening these content pages provides unique content organization to select from. Enter a search in the search box or click the Advanced Search link to open a Terms and Connectors query builder to help build a search in the selected content. The Advanced Search page is also found by clicking the link under the search box. Choose a previous or favorite source from the Recents and Favorites link. Create a favorite from a recently used search filter by clicking the star icon. Access additional product searches and find sources by using the individually labeled boxes below the search bar. The main search box can be used to find one or more specific sources and to enter search terms. To find a source, start by entering the title. As terms are entered, suggestions are provided based on your entry. Find the information on a source by clicking the eye to the right of it. You can enter more than one source and make it a favorite by clicking the star icon. Run a search by entering search terms into the search box. As suggestions appear, select a suggestion or ignore them. Based on your entry, Nexis Uni will determine if your search is natural language or terms and connectors. Build a natural language search by asking a question using words and phrases about your topic, or enter the key terms in without connectors. Terms and connectors searching utilizes Boolean operators like AND for all terms, and OR for any terms, quotes for exact phrases, proximity connectors for terms within a specified distance, and wildcards like the asterisk or exclamation point for finding word variations. Choose a desired date range from any one of the pre-built ranges or select a custom range. Select from the key content categories like news, company, or legal using the choices provided. Making no specific content selection will search across all the content. Unlock efficient and comprehensive research right at your fingertips from the Nexis Uni homepage.